and past meals, and then trying it, and then I was like, boy, this journey is long. I'm after no man, the 2 weeks, and every time we see a landmark after the 2 weeks, 2 weeks. So sometimes we have to encourage ourselves and just press on.
And actually, the future verse that I want to actually base this session on is really in line with what Mr. is saying. But I need a female to tell me of her experience, preferably not one from Walsall or that goes to our church. So introduce us first of all, because I'm not familiar with you. Jordan, you're from Jordan. Okay. Okay, so basically, what I want to do in this session is that I'm going to try and see if I can take, well, if you guys, I want you guys to take what this experience has taught you and apply it to your Christian life. How can it be applied to Christian life? And then again, I want to read something that I want you to meditate on. It's from Romans 15, 1 to 3. And it reads, we then that are strong ought to bear the infirmities of the weak and not to please ourselves. Let every one of us please his neighbor for his good edification. For even Christ pleased not himself, but as it is written, the reproaches of them that reproach thee fell on me. Now somebody, anybody, tell me how this road, this scripture can apply to your Christian life. Okay, let me choose. Robert. You want me to read it again? Alright. So I'll go slowly. Romans 15, verse 1 to 3. We then that are strong ought to bear the infirmities of the weak and not to please ourselves. Let every one of us please his neighbor for his good edification. For even Christ pleased him not himself, but as it is written, the reproaches of them that reproach you fell on me. So I'm going to ask Robert Robinson to really
Sorry. How can you apply this?
No! I'm asking you to take what I just said about the scripture that I read. What I just said about the scripture that I read and the journey that you had and apply to your Christian life.
A big disrespect that's in my youth. What you deal with?
Just get up, man.
Give my boss, man.
We then that are strong ought to bear the infirmities of the weak and not to please ourselves. Let every one of us please his neighbor for his good edification. For even Christ pleased not himself, but as it is written, the reproaches of them that reproach thee fell on me. You're applying the scripture as well as your experience coming up from David's Bible here and your Christian life. How would you apply that?
Basically, not going about things solely for yourself, but helping others along the way, and not for yourself.
But really and truly, is that so? Because I see a lot of people, the past no people, and never business, no care in the world.
Call name. Yeah, call name.
I saw a person
Yeah, call
that
name.
wanted to hurry up and cut out his back.
Call name.